Kili and Truman made it to New York City. Woo! Kili!
That's so sweet. Very thank you.
Kili and Truman are checking out the masterpieces at the Met. I think they're gonna make a masterpiece on their pavement here pretty soon if we don't get out of here. ¿De dónde?
De España.
¿En España? ¿Barcelona? ¿Madrid?
Ay, ¿cómo se llama?
Se llama Truman.
Truman. Es Truman.
Truman.
Ay, Dios mío. Ay, qué cosa tan guapa. Qué bonito. ¿Qué pasa?
Me and Truman are in Central Park. Like the fresh air.
What kind is suspected?
Cape Parrot.
Huh?
Cape Parrot. Right? Nobody said anything about birds. Shake, shake, wings, wave, nod, shake, hello, hello.
Where are they?
Kili.
Cesar, salva una grande articosa algo para
Hey guys, leave some for me. Good bird, fetch. Good bird, good. Ladies and gentlemen, a patron of the arts. And then suddenly there appeared before me. Guys, hit again.
为什么一定要站在这儿？让他拍照。
Kili's window shopping on 5th Avenue. Wow, look at all those feathers. You want to try those on? Truman! Hey, Kili!
He's got a little case.
I like that one on the shoulder. Mommy,
I'm Michael from TrainParrot.com. Kili and Truman are visiting New York City. Kili, remember when you were on stage here a few months ago? Bang! Kili! 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 They like people, they like to get out and get attention. Hello. Good bird. Good. Look, guys, it's the Flatiron Building. All right, guys, let's go. Bang. Freedom Tower. Oh, Kili, I guess you paid your taxes for this year. Visit trainparrot.com for more photos and videos of Kili and Truman.